Hello, it's Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you a quick way how you can update software for Redmi phones. So if you have a Redmi, just click on settings, then click on about phone again. Click on this option for system update. Then you have to make sure that your phone is connected on Wi-Fi. Then here click on download and install. Download can take some minutes. It depends on the type of system update which you are missing. Yeah, so that is the quickest way how you can update your Redmi software. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.